Hi, hello, how are you, friends? Welcome to MDS Coaching Institute, Kerala, and I am your coach, Mohammed Sohail. So, friends, as you know, in the previous video, we have discussed about the world general knowledge important bits. So, today in this video, we are discussing about the Indian polity and constitutional most common important questions that have been asked in the previous group exams, public service commission exams. So, let's start the today's topic with the first question. How does the Constitution of India describe India as? How does the Constitution of India describe India as? Option A, Federation of Union States and Union Territories. Option B, a Union of States. Option C, Bharatvarsh. Option D, a federated nation. So the right answer is option B, a Union of States. The Constitution of India describe India as a Union of States. Next question. India is a republic because. India is a republic because. Option A, it is a democratic country. Option B, it is a parliamentary democracy. Option C, the head of the state is elected for a definite period. Option D, all of these. So the right answer is option C. India is a republic because the head of the state is elected for a definite period. Next question. Who was the constitutional advisor to the Constituent Assembly of India? Who was the constitutional advisor to the Constituent Assembly of India? And your options are A. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, option B. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, option C. Sri B.N. Rao, option D. Sri K.M. Munshi. So the right answer is option C. Sri B.N. Rao. B.N. Rao was the constitutional advisor to the Constituent Assembly of India. Next question. Who was the President of the Republic of India whose consistency described Indian secularism as Sarva Dharma Sambhav? Who was the President of the Republic of India who consistently described Indian secularism as Sarva Dharma Sambhav? Option A, Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. Option B, Dr. Zakir Hussain. Option C, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Option D, Gyani JLC. So the right answer is option A, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Next question. The Constitution of India was adopted on. The Constitution of India was adopted on. Your options are A, 26 January 1950, B, 26 January 1949, C, 26 January 1949, D, 31st December 1949. So the right answer is option C, 26 November 1949. On this day, the Constitution of India was adopted. Next question. Indian Penal Code came into operation in. Indian Penal Code IPC came into operate in. Option A 1858, option B 1860, option C 1859, option D 1862. So the right answer is option D 1862. Next question. How many articles are there in an Indian constitution? How many articles are there in an Indian constitution? Your options are A 395, B 396, C 398, D 399. So the right answer is option A 395. 395 articles are present in Indian Constitution. Next question. Federal structure for India was first put forward by the A federal structure for India was first put forward by the option A Act of 1861, option B Act of 1909, option C Act of 1919, option D Act of 1939. So the right answer is option D, Act of 1939. By this act, the federal structure of India was first put. Next question. When was our national anthem first sung and where? When was our national anthem first sung and where? Option A, 24 January 1950 in Allahabad. Option B, 24 January 1950 in Delhi. Option C, 26 December 1942 in Calcutta. Option D, 27 December 1911 in Calcutta. So the right answer is option D, 27 December 1911 in Calcutta. Our national anthem was first sung. Next question. The term caste was derived from option A, Portuguese, B, Dutch, C, German, D, English. And the right answer is option A, Portuguese. Next question. The two forms of democracy are the two forms of democracy are Your options are A, parliamentary and presidential, option B, direct and indirect, C, monarchical and republican, option D, parliamentary and king. So the right answer is option A, parliamentary and presidential. The two forms of democracy are parliamentary and presidential. Next question. Which right was described by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar as the heart and soul of the Constitution? Which right was described by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar as the heart and soul of the Constitution? Option A, right to equality. Option B, right against exploitation. Option C, right to constitutional remedies. Option D, right to freedom of religion. So the right answer is option C, right to constitutional remedies. Next question. The provisional president of the Constituent Assembly was. The provisional president of the Constituent Assembly was. Option A, Dr. Sachidananda Sinha. Option B, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Option C, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Option D, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. So the correct answer is option A, Dr. Sachidananda Sinha was the provisional president of the Constituent Assembly. Next question. The Constituent Assembly of India was set up under the Constituent Assembly of India was set up under the Your options are A, Simon Commission proposals, B, Cripps proposals, C, Mountbatten plan, D, Cabinet Mission plan. So the correct answer is option D, Cabinet Mission plan. Next question. Indian Constitution is option A, federal, option B, quasi federal, option C, unitary, option D, presidential. So the right answer is option B, quasi federal. Indian Constitution is a quasi federal type. Next question. The Government of India Act 1935 was based on. The Government of India Act 1935 was based on option A, Simon Commission, option B, Lord Curzon Commission, option C, Dimitrov thesis, option D, Lord Clive's report. So the right answer is option A, Simon Commission. Next question. Who described the Government of India Act 1935 as a new charter of bondage? Who described the Government of India Act 1935 as a new charter of bondage? Option A, Mahatma Gandhi, B, Rajendra Prasad, C, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, D, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. So the right answer is option C, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru described the Government of India Act 1935 as a new charter of bondage. Next question. Who is custodian of the Indian Constitution? Who is custodian of the Indian Constitution? Option A, President of India. Option B, Chief Justice of India. C, Prime Minister of India. D, Chairman of Rajya Sabha. So the right answer is option B, Chief Justice of India. Chief Justice of India is the custodian of the Indian Constitution. Next question. Where do we find the ideals of Indian democracy in the Constitution? Where do we find the ideals of Indian democracy in the Constitution? A. The preamble. B. Part 3. C. Part 4. D. Part 1. So the right answer is option A, preamble. In preamble, we can find the ideals of the Indian democracy in the Constitution. Next question. Which type of democracy do we follow in India? Which type of democracy do we follow in India? Option A, direct. Option B, presidential. Option C, representative. Option D, dictatorship. So the correct answer is option C, representative type of democracy we follow in India. Next question. Bills of which of the following categories can be initiated only in Lok Sabha? Bills of which of the following categories can be initiated only in Lok Sabha? Option A, ordinary bill. Option B, private members bill. Option C, money bill. Option D, constitution amendment bill. So the right answer is option C, money bill. Next question. How many fundamental duties are included in an Indian constitution? How many fundamental duties are included in Indian constitution? And your options are A 9, B 10, C 11, D 12. So the right answer is C 11. 11 fundamental duties are included in Indian constitution. Next question. A right to property was removed from the list of fundamental rights during the rule of. Right to property was removed from the list of fundamental rights during the rule of. Option A, Indira Gandhi government. B, Morarji Desai government. C, Narasimha Rao government. D, Vajpayee government. So the right answer is option B, Morarji Desai government removed the fundamental right, the right to property. Next question. Who proposed the preamble before the drafting committee of the Constitution? Who proposed the preamble before the drafting committee of the Constitution? Option A, Jawaharlal Nehru. Option B, B.R. Ambedkar. Option C, B.N. Rao. Option D, Mahatma Gandhi. So the right answer is option A, Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru proposed the preamble before the drafting committee of the Constitution. So friends, by this question we are going to wind up this today's video. If you like this video, please like it, share it, and subscribe my channel. And if you have any doubts, please tell in the comment section box. So I will meet you in the next video with the new topic. Till then, prepare well, work hard, maintain social distance, wear masks, sanitize your hands. Thank you, one and all.